Hi, I'm Tommy, and this is day 9 of the public speaking challenge. And first off, New Jersey, because I'm about to go to my first soccer game ever today. Very excited because I've been a huge fan of football since like past World Cups. I used to only watch Korea. Anyways, dude, I cannot count the number of ear cleaning ads that I see on TikTok, and I'm just like, that is an ear infection waiting to happen. Because you scratch your ear on accident, and oh my goodness, it's about to be, infection time, especially if you don't know how to treat it. And then you keep using it, and who knows, it's gonna be really bad for your ears. Secondly, please, like, I cannot believe that I broke my streak, so let's just continue it. Yeah, it's basically an ear infection waiting to happen, and with our current state of healthcare, it's gutted. You need to take care of yourself, and please vote in the midterm elections. It's kind of crazy what is going on. And honestly, we need to at least overturn the House first to slow down any like drastic changes that are happening, because the big beautiful bill BS, man, unbelievable. So please actually go out and let's take back the democracy as we know it.